Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Muscle Whisperer with me, Darien Pritchard.
And me, Leora Sharp.
In our last episode, we introduced you to two body use principles for using your body in massage to support the work of your hands and your elbows. Let's jump into another one. As we said in the previous video, it's crucial to involve your whole body in your massage, not to stand still, but to sway and move your body. And in sliding strokes, this means swaying your body forward and back to create the power and the fluidity of those strokes. Even when you're doing light strokes, swaying your body will give evenness to those strokes. But it's crucial for when you're doing strong strokes, such as deep tissue massage, sliding strokes. It helps you conserve your energy and it helps you to get the greatest control and evenness in those strokes.
In order to create a movement and a sway with our body, we need to have our lunge stance in place, which is 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. And then we sway forward and back, moving between dropping our front knee and dropping our back knee. And that allows us to create a sway and a fluidity to the sliding strokes. If you stand still to try and create a long movement, you'll land up overusing your shoulders, and that makes it very demanding to get the movement happening. Plus, you can land up putting strain on your knees. I can feel already just from doing that little bit of movement that my knee is straining as I'm working. As well as the movement being effective for our clients, we want it to be easy on our bodies as well. So by effective, we might be thinking applying some pressure as we are moving. As you lean in, that's when your body weight can allow the pressure to be applied. When you're coming back, you can't use any body weight. So just ease the pressure off. And then you can put the pressure on when you go forward again for the next stroke. So leaning in for pressure, easing up on the way back, leaning in for pressure, and easing up on the way back. Another thing we need to be careful of or avoid is overreaching. So we use our bodies rather to step up the table rather than to overreach. As you can see, if I overreach for many hours of the day, I'm really going to land up with strain in the back of my leg and lower backache.
You can also see that when Leora's overreaching, she's starting to overuse those shoulder muscles, and at the same time, she'll be losing power in her hands. So as she said, particularly when you're working on a long back or somebody's long leg, you begin and you step up alongside the table to keep that movement happening. When you're doing this, as long as you don't abruptly break and remake contact, if you just do it in a way that's smooth, easing the pressure off a little bit and then returning it, the technique will remain fluid for both you and for the client's experience. So there you have it. We've taken you through 3 tips to help you use your body effectively to support your massage.
And please remember to practice whenever you learn something new, and practice on your friends and colleagues first. We hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.